Eritrean food is quite rich in variety. And if you ask me what my favorite is, it's the chicken stew. It's called dorho. Yeah, it comes with an egg, it's quite saucy. Yeah, we do different types of foods for every occasion. The dorho is always there. It takes the whole day. Our head chef comes in the morning to prepare it. Especially the onion, it takes quite a lot of time. It's very subtle and nice dish.
Special is zigni, made from lamb. It's a little bit sauce. The name is shuro.
This is, we call it adulis awaze. It's lamb cubes marinated in hot pepper sauce. You can see onions, some garlic, quite intense. This is same as this but mild one.
This is a type of bread, the name of injera. Haita in Eritrea.
I can't stay without injera for more than a week. If you go away of the country, like us living abroad, that's quite important thing, because it keeps you feel like you're at home here. We really miss it. We have huge respect to food. The food is quite fantastic and it's part of it. If you go to any Eritrean place, that's what they would do. They would serve you with what they have best. You'll serve this and the whole family will eat from this the same plate. You might pray, whether you're Muslim or Christian, in your own way. The older one might give you a blessing of the injera, a little bit for everyone. God, may you bless this food for us.
So injera is typically on a big platter in front of you and you all eat from the same piece. So it's got a massive pancake and it has little clumps of meat or vegetarian topping. And you just tear off a piece, grab a bit of topping with your bare hands and eat it. And you're all sharing together. It's part of that very communal sense of how you would eat.
There's a lack of
rolling it up on this one.
A lack of knife and forks here. I think the general thing is you tear off some of that and then scoop away. I've never been to Eritrea, and it's one of the countries that I've got really very little idea about. I've been to their neighbours, Ethiopia, so in some ways the food was quite similar to that. Brought back lots of memories of my time cycling through Ethiopia, but it was also very new, and I think that's one of the really good things about this project is that partly it's about nostalgia for the places I've been before and bringing back happy memories of travels, but also it's about going to places I've never been before, learning something new, meeting new people, learning about new foods, new cultures, and this definitely ticked all those boxes.
سخوني كل قدر مزينات عالسيو يا عالم السراور حمقي كسكيمة